Hello, my name is Jacob, and together with Sylvia, we are creating the channel Vanilla and Pepper Adventures. If you want to be up to date with our reports, subscribe to our channel. We have a handful and practical information for you that will be useful before visiting one of the 7 wonders of the world, the ruins of Chichen Itza. Currently, the archaeological site is open from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. Tickets cost for an adult up to 533 Mexican peso and 80 Mexican peso for a child from 3 till 13 years old. Remember that Sunday is not the best day to visit because Mexicans then have free entry to the complex, which makes the crowd much larger than other days. The movie was shot on Sunday, so you can see that there are a lot of people. What time is the best time to visit the complex? If you are going on your own, it's best to arrive at 8 a.m. and enter with the first visitors. You will be the first, so no one will prevent you from taking the perfect photo, and the light in the morning will be fabulous. If you come with an organized trip, you will arrive around midday, where the heat becomes unbearable. Fortunately, there are many trees nearby where you can look for shelter. Getting from Cancun or Playa del Carmen is quite easy. Just remember that the highways in New Mexico have a toll. Additionally, when planning a trip to Chichen Itza, keep in mind that it's located in Yucatan state. When you leave Quintana Roo state, we will be setting watches back 1 hour. What to take with you? The best local insect repellent, of which there is a whole assortment: mosquitoes, midges, ticks, and giant ants. As for footwear, it does not matter much. The distances are small, so flip-flops can do well. Just must take a water. There are many stalls on site, but it's a pity to waste time looking for a water shop in such an unusual place. If you want to be here in the morning, we recommend you cheap accommodation in Piste Town, 15 minutes on foot to Chichen Itza. Can you climb at the pyramid? Currently, the pyramid is closed to the public. People who were at the top of it said that is the place exodus unique, positive energy and strength. They felt special satisfaction, euphoria and self-confidence. The Mayan history, Chichen Itza was founded between the 4th and 6th centuries, but its most intensive development took place in the 10th till 11th centuries. The most famous object in Chichen Itza is the Kukulkan Pyramid, known as El Castillo, the castle. The pyramid has a very regular structure. It is 24 meters high and together with the temple dedicated to Kukulkan at the top 30 meters. This structure is evidence of our very extensive Mayan knowledge of mathematics, geometry and astronomy. The pyramid on each of the 4 walls has the same number of stairs, 365 in total, which reflects the number of days in the year. Next to the stairs, there are 52 slabs of stone, which reflect one Mayan life cycle, 52 years. There are 2 cenotes on the Chichen Itza site. From one of them, water was taken for current needs. From second, water was not used because it was a holy cenote. The name of the city derives from the holy cenote because Chichen means at the gate of the well, while Itza is name of Mayan tribe. The holy synod was dedicated to the god of rain, Chak. The Maya offered sacrifices to the god in this synod. Initially were small decorative items, later animals were sacrificed, and finally they were sacrifices of living people. Virgins from wealthy families were selected as sacrifices. Archaeological research conducted in the 20th century revealed bones of young girls, animal bones, as well as many valuable and utility items at the bottom of the well. Chichen Itza is a home to the world's largest stadium to play ulama. Ulama is considered to be the oldest team sport in the world. The game was related to religious ritual during which prisoners forced to play ulama were killed. Their heads were taken out and sacrificed. The matches in this stadium were only held once in 20 years. That's all about Chichen Itza. If you liked the movie, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. See you in the next report from Mexico. Cheers!